Good afternoon, Prajwal.
Share ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು sir.
What was the strength in last session?
So it was 31, sir.
Okay.
I can start, sir.
Yes, Prajwal, 1 minute. Yes. Good afternoon, all. Yes. Welcome back to mathematics class. Yeah. And I think all of you attended the examination, yesterday's examination, okay? And I have followed the most of them according to the rule. And weightage, I have followed it. So, yeah. Yes, Prajwal, their vice chancellor address is over. VC addressing is over, Prajwal. Prajwal. Okay, let me.
Sir.
VC address ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay. Wait for this session, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If that is the thing, you can allow them, and you can intimate me.
Yes, yes, yes.
In between. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So we'll discuss this paper. If any doubt is there, you can post me. Any doubt in question number 1 to 5, you can see in the board. If you have any doubt, you can just chat with me, so I can solve that problem. Totally, relation functions, from relation function, you can expect 5 questions. So all the 5 are there here. The first 5 questions you can see here. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಟೈಪಿನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾ, ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. And the second one is domain range. You can expect one question from domain or range from this part, okay? Right. And third one is inverse function. Inverse ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And the fourth one, I told you already, 1, 1 and on 2. You have to concentrate on the top concept, that is 1, 1 and on 2, which is asked many times in the previous year papers. That is why. And the last one, fifth question, that is associative and commutative property. It's going to problem or binary operation. The one question will be from usually in the last 6 papers, if you see, around 5 times binary operation problems are there. So you can expect one question from this part. So these are the 5 questions from first year and both second year relations and functions. Okay. And yeah, let me do the second problem. Yavattu ee taradha problem bandaga, you need to take x minus common, that is x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 2. Okay. And then you need to factorize this. Factorize ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? You need to get minus 2 here. So it is not factorizable, right? So then you have to take the formula here. A value is 1, B value is 2, and C value is minus 2. Let this minus be outside. Let me apply the formula, that is 2 plus or minus square root of B square minus 4 into A into C divided by 2A, correct? Minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 8, that is 12, root 12, okay, divided by 2. This you can write it as 4 3s are 12, right? If you take that 4 outside, you will get 2, and the answer will be minus of 1 plus or minus root 3. If you apply that negative sign, minus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 minus into minus plus root 3. So that answer must be lies in between minus 1 by root 3. Option 2 is the answer, right? And you can say definitely one, you can mark this directly, because since this has no factors, you will not get a real number. So you will not get a integer. That is why you can mark directly the option 2 by looking at the equation, if it is not factorizable. Okay. Next, question number 3. Let me go for question number 3. That is, we need to calculate the value of y. So f of x is what? X plus 1 by x. Here, f of x, it is given it as x plus 1 by x. Okay. And now, yeah, we have to take f inverse of x is equal to y. Then you shift that f to the other side, that is f of y. X is equal to, what is f of y? Y plus 1 by y. Okay. Now I need to convert the whole in terms of y is equal to, I have to get in terms of x is equal to in terms of y is equal to in terms of x. I need the value of y here. So that is why I'll take the LCM. So if I take LCM, what happens? Y square plus 1 is equal to xy. Is that right? And y square minus xy minus plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now y is equal to minus b, that is plus x plus square root of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Check it out. The option with, yeah, we have both plus and minus here. So we need to select any one. So just to take any one value in between this interval, that is 2. If I apply 2 here, this will become 0. 2 by 2 will become 1. Yes. Plus is valid. You cannot take a negative sign, because if you take 2 square here, or you can take the higher value, no problem in that. Let me take a 10. If I take 10, yeah, this is valid, right? Okay. So I cannot take 1 here. See here, 1. Okay. If I take 1 for the value of x, this becomes what? Negative inside the square root. That is why. And you have to select the answer which has the positive sign. So that is the option, yeah, in the first option. X square, x plus root of plus or minus root of x square minus 4 divided by 2. Always, usually, the answer will be positive only, not negative. Okay. If that value is greater, you may get the negative value which is not in the range or code domain. Right? Positive value you have to select. Next, I told you already, number of one functions, into functions. If it is required, into function, number of into functions, then n of b p n of a is the formula, right? N of b p n of a. Is it possible here? You have to check it out. The number of functions. So sorry, yeah. Now if it is number of functions, this is the formula for number of one function. Okay, and for number of functions, formula is number of functions. It is n of b power n of a. Now check the options. N of b power n of a. N of b power n of a. Option 2, 5 power 7 is the right answer. Okay. Yeah. N of b p n of a. Number of functions is equal to n of b power n of a. Got it? Yeah. Number of function formula, number of elements of b power n of a. For number of into functions, sorry, number of one functions is n of b p n of a. This is not possible because b value is smaller than the n of a. That is why. And they have asked you to find out number of functions here. This formula you can apply, n of b power n of a. Just recall all the formulas that will help you to solve the problem. I think question number 5 you can do it by yourself, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Madam must come, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, Abhida madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, madam. Prajwal here. And Sharath.
Prajwal sir, if Jonathan sir will talk now.
Hello.
No, that's from my only sir.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jonathan sir is talking.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, I can hear now.
Yeah, students are allowed here to speak. You can converse with Jonathan. Yes, thank you. You can unmute and speak, students. Yes, Sanjay, you can go ahead. Sanjay, you can speak.
Who's Sanjay?
Sanjay is a student, sir. He wants to talk.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead, Sanjay.
Hello, sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, I am very much happy, sir, that from your institution we got this free crash course, which is very helpful to us, and it will very help in our future career also, sir, to make our career best. And I want to really thank your whole team, sir.
Yeah, I appreciate your kind words. And, today, can I start with my own introduction and a few lines about Dayanand Sagar?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
uh, my name is R. Janardhan. I'm Pro Vice Chancellor, and I had the opportunity to think of starting the university and the management at Dayanand Sagar institutions and the MJVP Trust, which runs all our education institutions. They gave me the mandate to think, conceive, plan, and start a university. So we have this Dayanand Sagar University today. We are in the 6th year. We have done reasonably well, and students have accepted us, and parents also have acknowledged that the work that we have done, our teachers have done in our campus is good. And from the placement point of view, the companies also have acknowledged that the work done by Dayanand Sagar in transforming young boys and girls into wholesome individuals has been a good job and a great turnaround. And so the placements also is, the reflection of the good work is reflected in the quality of placements in terms of the salaries. The highest salary that one of our female student got is 27 lakhs. Average salaries is 6 lakhs. And the pandemic did not disturb the academic schedule nor of the placement process. And in fact, we were able to embrace technology very quickly, very easily. So our teachers, most of them, they were using off and on technology to deliver lessons into the classrooms, and we would get experts from overseas universities to deliver talks off and on, and all this was happening through online. So it was very easy for our students and teachers to embrace technology when the crisis came. And for us at Dayanand Sagar University, as a corporate social responsibility, we were already doing this free coaching to CET and other entrance exams. But this was limited to 100, 200 students who would come and take the benefit of this training in our campus. But because of the pandemic, the corona, we immediately thought of a solution. Students cannot come, teachers cannot come to campus, and students are sitting at home. For parents, it was a challenge. For students, it was challenging times. How do I kill my time? I want to converse. I want to talk to a teacher. Who's the best teacher? And is that teacher available? Now, well, a young child is, who's of a PU class, parents would not like the child, son or daughter to go outside. So different circumstances forced us to think and bring the lessons into where you are. And again, though it was a very prized product, we thought, no, we should continue to do the CSR activity of giving the benefit of this good quality teaching, free of cost. So even if I had, given an application and charged you 1,000 rupees, we would have made a lot of money. That was not our intention. So, and what we feel is when you all grow up to become citizens, start working, you should do, some favor to your friend, relative, somebody who wants similar help. So what you have learned is, yeah, you are now very strong in physics, chemistry, maths, biology. We, again, I have to thank Dr. Nagaraj, the founder of BASE, BASE, who is a very good friend and a well-wisher. Personally, I know him very well. I hold him in high regard. When I told Professor that, sir, can you help me identify a good set of teachers who are not aligned to any particular college or university, he immediately gave me the name of Professor Raghavendra. And Raghavendra and his team, they have done a wonderful job. So I'm taking this opportunity to acknowledge all the faculty members and his team, his support staff, who have made this training possible, and all the parents and students like you, who have been attending our classes. And the media has been a great support externally to give wide publicity. And in most of the cases, it was more of effort talking to everybody and telling, we are working on a good cause. And so in most of the places, we got very extremely positive, encouraging response hearing our story. So the community believed in us, and therefore this program became a sensation across Karnataka. So here it is. You have done your exams, and the feedback is now being given. And what I'm requesting the students, you do a self-evaluation of on the day when you joined, and end of 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, or whatever. Where do you stand? Do a graph, and if you can send us a feedback to directly to Danan Sagar University. You have Madam Abida's, Dr. Abida's email ID, or you have your mentors, or you can post it on WhatsApp, and you can also write a reflection paper, because for us, what is that? Now I'm asking you the Guru Dakshine. Okay, we deserve something from you. If we have done some good work, we deserve the Guru Dakshine. What is that? We want you to write a 1-page or a 2-page reflection paper. You know what is a reflection paper? Any of you?
Yes, sir,
Hello?
we will write it, sir.
Yeah, you have to write how you what was your situation when the corona struck, and what how where you read your or where you heard program, how you started your day one, and how you ended your test and your final exam, where you stand today, what is your confidence level. So if you are able to express all that and send it to us, the best top 3 papers, top 4 or top 5 papers, we will acknowledge officially from Danan Sagar University. And all these reflection papers, you should keep a copy of it. You know why? When you finish your graduation and when you want to apply to the very good institutions, outside India, they will ask you to produce all the reflection papers that you have done or you have written, and all the activities that you have done outside classroom. Because do you say thanks? One, you have to thank your parents for having brought you into this world. You have to thank your school. You have to thank your alma mater, your teachers throughout, who have been good and helpful to you. Your uncles, aunts, friends, whoever, neighbors, all those who helped you to reach this level. Now, from Danan Sagar, yes, we know that you have all gone through a lot of struggle, effort. Okay, so now it's for you to show that in your scores. And if you are able to, again, after that, write to us telling how this training benefited, and how you were able to crack higher marks, for higher marks, whether in NEET or in CET. And also think of it, we have got a lot of questions asking, how do I enter Danan Sagar University? Danan Sagar University, one can join through writing the DSAT exam, Danan Sagar admission test. You have to go to our website, fill a form, and make the payment. There is an entrance test, and if you are able to write the DSAT on 3rd and 4th of August, it's great. And if you are certain number of seats from in these all the programs are earmarked for DSAT, and some seats for Comet K and Unigage and management quota. So if you're able to get through CET, come through, and if Danan Sagar University is your first option, please accept that, come in. In case for any reason you are not able to get a program of your choice and in any college of your choice, and if you feel Danan Sagar University is a good option for you, you can again come here. If you come through DSAT, you are paying slightly higher fees than CET, but lot less than what you pay if you come through management quota. So there is a huge incentive advantage for all of you to register for the DSAT exam, Danan Sagar admission test exam. It will be held on August 3rd and 4th. The preparation that you have already gone through, if you have done well, attended all the classes, it's a cakewalk for you, especially after the CET. Okay, same thing, this preparation is good for you for the NEET exams also. And then, as you are all aware, the lessons have been meticulously planned. It's all posted on the DSU channel, YouTube channel. So anytime you can go refer any concept that you find it difficult. please go back and do the reference and master the tough you have to overcome any concept that you find is challenging or tough. At any point of time, you are welcome to write to us. You still need some coaching, some guidance. We will request your teachers who are now teaching you, or the DSU teachers or the DSI teachers. We have a large number of faculty who will be very happy to help you if there is a particular concept where you are stuck and you're finding it difficult. That is one part. Now, after the pandemic is all done, even now we are all regularly attending offices. We request you to invite you to come with your parents for a campus tour. Campus tour can be done by through our website just to see how our campuses are. So, and now if only you and your parents are coming, so there will be nobody here in the sense no other students will be here. So we can time in such a way that you are the only parent, or you and your parents are coming here, only 2 or 3 of you. Some faculty will take you around. They'll do an exclusive explanation on what is Danu Sagar University. So you have heard about it, but you will get a chance to see what is DSU. Why DSU is different, I want to explain to you just in next 2 lines. We are the only campus where industry, multinational companies, that means very large multinational companies, have established their state-of-the-art labs. These are real world class. So if you and your parents come, we will show each of these 10 labs. Now, these 10 labs are not for an IIC scientist. It is for you. We all know you are from class 12 background, but you can come sit in these labs. And once you see the power of these labs, you can think of creating an aeroplane. You can think of creating a chartered aircraft, or the fastest, war machine, so that you can reach any part of China or Pakistan. If this excites you, you please come see all this, and what you can do. India has been 50 years behind China. Okay, so there is a huge responsibility on the young population. We should not feel threatened by any other country. So scientifically, we have to make lots of progress. We have to do lots of catch up, and that responsibility is on you. So India needs very good engineers, scientists, doctors, researchers. So we are not inviting you just to come here as a student. We want you to come as an Indian citizen, see what is available in an Indian campus. It is available for you to make best of the infrastructure that is available. And even if you don't join the Danu Sagar University, you can still join any other college or campus of your choice. But this infrastructure that what we have created is all available for the community. When I say community, it is for you, your parents, your neighbors. Okay. Now, impressed by what we are doing in the Danu Sagar University, Government of India has given us a special 10 crore grant and encouraged us to set up the Atal Innovation Center, which means you can come with very disruptive ideas which can change the way we are now doing things. And if those ideas are good, you will get a place to work, start your own company, you will get seed funding, you will get a mentor, and you will also be admitted into the School of Engineering or the School of Management, and you can still pursue your ideas. Now, in pharmacy today, India is in a dominant position. You feel happy about it? As we are strong in the space area in pharmaceutical products, India is in #1 position. But we can still do much better. But that again, it is people like you should come with ideas. How do I make good drugs, medicines that is available? So new diseases are coming up like the corona disease. So how does one fight? Will you wait for next 10 years, or will you wait for a 60-year-old scientist to come with a solution, or will a young boy, girl who's now in +2 come and offer a solution? It is possible. Indian Americans in the US have been extremely successful, hardworking, and what they have been doing is extremely. It shows that Indian kids have got something very different in their DNA, and so this is the same thing. I believe all of you are made of very special caliber. So this entire opportunity is available to you. Think of it, whether you can join a college or a university of your choice. But if you want to do something in additional to your normal academic curriculum, think of Dsu Soe University Innovation Campus on Hosur Road. And as I told you, our mentors, they deserve a round of applause. Dr. Abida and all her team. There are 45 faculty. They have been working day and night. So they deserve a round of applause from all of you. A word of thanks. So when a reflection paper is written, and if each of you start sending messages, thank you, Dayanand Sagar. We will. That is the reward for us, and it will encourage us to do much more. And having seen this success, we would like to come and keep you engaged after your CET with something which is not academic but very interesting to change and engage you in until your normal academic program gets inaugurated. Thank you. If any of you would like to start telling one line, two lines, I would be very happy to hear that. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think we will allow them to speak here. Yeah, yes, students, you can speak with sir. Yes, Vishwanath, please. You can unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Sanjay, you can unmute and you can speak. You can raise your hand. Yeah.
Hi,
yeah.
sir. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Sir, we will be sending the reflection letter to you and as well as your team, sir. It is a great opportunity that we have used this. Instead, we did not give any 1 paisa money also. It is very much important to get back review your crash course and get very much publicity in our Karnataka, sir. Dayanand Sagar Institution is one of the dream college, sir. We will surely get good marks from this crash course and we will surely join it, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Any other students, if you want to speak, you can go ahead. Yes, Janardhan, sir. Yes. Anyone want to speak? Vishwanath? Yes, I think yes, Janardhan, sir.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Okay. My question was how was the performance from the time the students came in to the time they wrote the yesterday's exam?
Yeah, we have to get that. We'll get it from Abeda madam. Then
Okay.
let you know, sir.
All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Anyway, if there are no more comments, I will hand over the class to you, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, as a maths professor,
Yes, sir.
you will be enjoying the students' review has been every message that has come, it's for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah? And I'm so impressed. So we'll meet up, once you're free. And, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Hold on, sir. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Afifa, ma'am. Yeah.
Afifa here from DSI. I was a DSI student. I studied in second PU DSI.
Okay.
So I'd like to thank you, DSU and JES, so
Okay.
much. Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for organizing such a free program. It was just an extraordinary experience of learning with JES and DSU. And
Very
it's
nice.
my dream to join engineering in DSU too.
What subject you want to study?
I would take up electrical engineering.
Electrical.
Yeah, in DSU, sir.
Okay, if you're taking electrical engineering, I think you will be entitled to some scholarship. Check on that. Huh? Since you belong
Okay.
to the same Dhanand Sagar family, there's a possibility that if you send a a special message after this discussion to Dr. Abida, I will take it from her. I will check and confirm. There is a for all the students from Dhanand Sagar PU College or any of our institutions, they get a scholarship.
Okay.
I want you to apply for the scholarship. And one line I always want to, one opportunity I want to take is,
yes, sir.
there are Government of India scholarships to a lot of students who come from the minority background, and banks are for everybody else. Banks are mandatory to give education loans because a lot of parents can't afford to pay the fee. Even CET fee becomes very difficult. So you should not, give up an opportunity to study your engineering or any other professional program in the Dhanand Sagar University because of the fee. So the bank loans are available.
Okay.
At 4 years fee plus the computer, books, library, all hostel fee, everything is combined, and that is given as an education loan. And you have a 1 year grace period. After that, so from the 5th year onwards, you are supposed to pay off. So please, when you go to talk to your parents and tell them, if the bank, every nationalized bank, the public sector banks, go to the public sector banks, don't go to private banks. They may or may not give, but go to public sector banks. The education loans they have to give. Sometimes the managers can be funny and they can push you away and say, no, I will not give. But if you show a letter from Dhanand Sagar University, they will respect that. Any prestigious college, they say, okay, the university is good, college is good, and getting a job is definitely, it is 100% possible. Therefore, the child is taking the responsibility. I will not run away. So after my education is over, I'll pay back. And let this liability of your cost of education not be borne by the parent, especially where parents cannot afford the fee. So today you have to make up your mind. I will read hard. I will work hard. I will join a good join a good college or a university, and I will go to a bank. I will convince the bank manager, and I will take an education loan. And it's all available. Government of India has made it possible. So you should take advantage of that. Especially for students who belong to the, I'm making a general statement. Students who belong to minority community, government scholarships are available by Karnataka government. So please take advantage of that. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It would be an opportunity to study in DSU.
Welcome. I know I want to see you in my campus. We'll be very happy to have you with us.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. All of you just say hello and thank you to one of you can say thank you to Abida, Dr. Abida. She's working day and night. Huh? Yeah.
Hello, Abida, madam. Thank you very, very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, guys.
It is still actually.
Thank you, ma'am.
The video is still.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your cooperation and your attendance.
Madam, namaste, madam Prajwal.
Namaste, beta.
Namaste. Namaste.
You utilized it. It was useful for you, right?
Madam, it is Prajwal, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sir.
Madam, how are you, madam? Thank you for your support, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your cooperation as well.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. This is Srihari.
Torgal, sir, I think you can continue now the class.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Special thanks to Torgal, sir, on behalf of DSU.
Thank you so much. Yes, madam. I'll continue with the session. Yeah.
Yeah, sir want to talk.
Okay.
Dr. Torgal,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Torgal, huh?
Yes, sir.
I want to make a special acknowledgement of your contribution. Okay,
Yes, sir.
maybe you should come in, once in a while to spend time in any of our schools and colleges.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
so
Sure.
much I've heard of your name, and
Yeah. Pleasure. Pleasure.
thank you. Right. Sir.
So, sir, please continue, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, students, any doubt in question number 6 to 10? This is from trigonometry, and this is also from trigonometry. Yeah. And this is from sequence and series, linear inequality. This is from MI, okay, MI, EMI, principle of mathematical induction, and this is from linear inequality, and this is sequence and series. I told you already, you can expect one question from linear inequality, and also sequence and series, one question, mathematical induction, one question, okay, and from trigonometry, you can expect two questions. For that two questions, you have to be aware of all the formulas, which is necessary formulas that you have to go through. And yes, I'll solve question number 6. Yes, Bindushri. Yeah, I think up to infinity is there. If you see any problem with infinite number of terms, just to think of the formula S infinity is equal to 1 by A by 1 minus R. Okay. So 1 by 1 minus sine theta is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Got it? Yeah. And by simplifying this equation, at the end, you will get sine theta is equal to, 1 by 2 after simplification. Then you can write theta as pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3, because for both pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3, you will get 1 by 2 as the final answer. Okay, pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. Got it? Yeah. You can simplify that. You can cross multiply and simplify. Then for this, so you can convert this into sine and cos. You can simplify, or else we have one more formula. Tan A minus tan B is equal to tan of A minus B into 1 plus tan A tan B. Yeah, 1 plus tan A tan B. And this is 70 and this one is 20. That is tan 50. You can cancel this tan 50 with this, and the remaining, that is 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20. I can write it as cot 70, right? And these two will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 will become 2. You can apply this kind of formula also, or you can convert this the whole thing in terms of sine and cos, and you can simplify. Yeah. Anything else? 6 and 7 is over. And just put n is equal to 1. See here, and you will get around 7 to 8 problems that will give you the answer only by substituting n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2. That type of that type of questions will be there. You can answer that very easily within no time. Yeah. Yes. Anything else? You can. Yeah. We move on to the next 5 problems, that is question number 11 to 15. Any doubt in this? This is modulus amplitude form from complex number. You can expect one question, right? And one more, that is independent term, right? To find the independent term, we have a shortcut that we have discussed already. So you have to multiply this 18 with the power of this, that is half, right? NP divided by P plus Q. What is the power of this here? It is half plus 1. The power of this is 1. Now by simplifying this, 9, okay, and 9 divided by, it is 3 by 2. So if you 3 ones are 3 threes are, this will get 6. So seventh term is the middle term. Remember this to find the value of R. If R value is 6, PR plus 1 will be your term. Okay. Yeah, you need to multiply the power with the power of the first term, variable power. What is that? Half. 18 into half. Okay, and I'll write to the general form here. Whole power n, a x power p plus b by x power q. If it is in this form, you need to use this formula to get the value of R. Got it? Yeah. Any doubt in, yeah. I think for this, it is very easy, right? X square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 225 divided by 9 into 25, cancel 1. And I told you already, big minus small divided by root big is the formula. Answer is root 16, that is 4 by 5 is the answer, right? Root of big minus small divided by root big. Yeah, 25 nines are 225. Therefore, that is the answer. Okay. Yes. Question number 16. Yes. Yes, Ananta Krishna. The foot of the perpendicular from 1, 3, 4 to the plane. Foot of the perpendicular. Tell me, what is that? If this is a plane, see here, if this is a plane, and this is to be foot of that, right? And you can see here that foot lies on the plane. That is why the option must satisfy the equation of a plane. It is very simple. Just substitute that in the option. 1, 2 ಆಯಿತು. So minus 4 apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry, plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6. No, it is not possible, right? First option is not possible. And if you apply the second one, minus 2, minus 4. Yeah, now answer has got 0. Any other options which, if you substitute that, if it gives answer as, no, I think option 3 is also not possible. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think this is also not possible. Only option B is the right answer. The point which satisfies the plane, because that lies on the given plane. Okay. Yeah. And you know that question number 17, when they say XY plane, just take Y coordinate. Divide by, just write minus bracket by bracket, minus 5 by minus 3. Answer is minus 5 by 3 externally, that is 5:3. Externally is the answer for question number 17. It is very simple. Okay. And for question number 18, I know that many of you want to solve the 3D problems. Okay. And these are all the planes they have given here. Okay. And this is a line which is parallel to the plane. See here, this looks like this. This is a plane, and this is a line which is parallel to the plane. And I told you already, whatever the coefficient of x, y, z is there, that will be perpendicular to the given plane. 2, 3, 4. Here, if you multiply this 2 with this 2, 2 into 3, 6, and 4 into 3, it is 12. Okay. And 5 into 4, it is 20. Okay. And if you add all these, you will get a positive quantity that is not equal to 0. You must that option must contain negative term, which is in third option. Option 3 is the right answer. That's it. You need to take the coefficient of x, y, z with the denominator. If you take the dot product of these two, you have to get the answer as 0. So to make that 0, any one coefficient must be negative. Otherwise, how can you get it subtracted and you will get 0 as the answer? That is very difficult. So I think by looking at the option only, you can decide that option 3 is the right answer. Got it? Okay. Yeah. I told you already, please concentrate on the pair of dice problems or different category of problems on pair of dice. That will be very helpful, and also the binomial distribution table, and you will add all these and you will have to get 1 as the answer. Anything else from 21 to 24, 25? Yeah. Twenty-one. Yes, Jeevan. 21. A flashlight has 10 batteries, out of which 4 are dead. Okay, so 4 are dead batteries and 6 are good one. 3 batteries are selected without replacement. You have to select 3 batteries without replacement. You should not replace that. Tested. When the probability of all the 3 are dead. What is the probability that all the 3 are dead? Now tell me, what should I write here? How many batteries are dead? There is 4 dead, right? You need to get 4 out of 10 for the first selection. What about for the second selection? That is also dead, right? 3 by 9, because this is without replacement. You will have only 9 batteries remaining. Out of that, only 3 is dead. And I'll write the remaining, that is 8 by 2. Is that right? Okay. Now I think I can simplify this. 4 2s are 8, cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are. It is 1 by 30 is the answer. Is that right? This is one of the problems from the conditional probability, that is 1 by 30. I think all of you got the idea. There was 10 batteries, among that 4 are dead, and after taking 1, because it is not with replacement, so that is why 9 left out. Among 9, 3 batteries are dead, and among 8, 2 batteries are dead. So after simplification, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, yes, anything in 24 to 29, 30? Yeah, 24. Negation of A. See here, this you have to take it as P and this as Q. What is negation of P conditional Q? I have discussed with you already. So negation of P conditional Q is there. That has to be right as and you should not apply to P. That has to be kept as it is. And you have to apply the negation for the second, that is negation of Q. Okay. Now P and negation Q, you have to check the option. A quadrilateral is a square and it is not a rhombus. Option 3 is the right answer, because that statement must contain and also the negation of the second statement. Okay, right. And for question number 27, it is, if I apply 0 here, 0 square into sine of pi by 0. This is a quantity which lies in between -1 to +1. A quantity which lies in between -1 to +1. So let me take this as any constant k. 0 into k will be 0. Option 3 is the right answer. Yes, for question number 26. The number of ways 5 girls, boys are together. Okay, how many girls are there? 5 girls are there, G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5. Is that okay? And now 3 boys are there. No two boys are together. No two boys are together. Okay. No two boys are together. So now you have to check that no two boys are together, right? You need to take here two boys, we have to make them here. Okay. How many places generated in between these girls? It is 6 places, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places are there. Okay. And no two boys are together here. No two boys are together. Yeah. So you have the boys has to sit here. B1, B2, B3. No one has to sit together. Okay. Or like this. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 places, we have the number of boys has to sit only 3. 6p3 into, if they sit like that, we have to rearrange these girls. Okay, that is 5 factorial because 5 girls are there. 5p5, we have to take all the 5 girls. So 6p3 into 5 factorial, that is 120 factorial divided by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. And 6 factorial, I can write it as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial whole divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 120. 3 factorial and 3 factorial get cancelled. This is also, I think, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 5 fours are, yeah. It is 6 minus 3 factorial, right? Yeah, 6p3. Yeah, I think up to 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 is also 3 factorial. I think I should not write this. 3 factorial is cancelled. And it is 120 into 120 is equal to 144,000,1400 is the right answer for question number 4. Totally 4 places are there. Sorry, 6 places are there. In 6 places, 3 students, 3 boy students has to sit here. Into, we have to rotate the number of girls, that is 5 factorial. 1440 is the right answer. Yeah. 29. Yeah. See here in 29, always remember in this place you have to get 1 always. Otherwise, we don't have any other formula to apply the any formula, right? You can see tan A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A minus tan A plus tan B divided by 1. See here, in this place, always you will get 1. That's why I will divide the numerator and denominator by 3 cos x. So that comes up to cos x cancel, it is 4 by 3 plus 3 by 3 cancel, and it is tan x, okay, and divided by 1 minus 4 by 1 plus 4 by tan x.
Time up, sir.
So that will become tan inverse x by, okay, tan inverse of 4 by 3 and also minus of tan inverse of tan x, okay. Tan and tan inverse get cancelled and it is minus x is there, tan inverse of 4 by 3 into minus x. Got it? And what is differentiation of tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus x? It is minus 1. Got it? Minus 1 is the answer. Yeah, I can share you the solution sheet of this. You can go through it. If you have any doubt, I can, if it is possible now, let me try through the yeah. Let me share with you all that okay problems. I think the remaining 30 you can solve it by solved. I'll send you the solved paper of this question paper, that is CET full length paper. You can go through it in detail. Okay, right. Yeah, yes. Thank you all once again. Yeah, I also enjoyed a very lot with interaction with you people, and you are all very kind and obliging students. Yeah, that's nice. Pleasure. Thank you. Yes, yes. We'll meet you in future. No issues. Good, good. Yes, Afifa is. Nice. Bye, bye. You can end the meeting, Prajwal. I have one more class. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Your
yes.
shortcuts really helped a lot.
Right, right.
I'm really thankful for JES teachers.
Thank you, Afifa.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes.
Students, you can leave. Students, you can leave.